Hello guys, welcome to the third video. In this, we will be solving a question using an array. So what's the question? Consecutive elements. You are given an array of n non-negative integers. You need to return true if the array elements consist of consecutive numbers. Otherwise, return false. So basically, the elements in the array should be consecutive. Then we return true, otherwise we return false. So let's look at a couple of examples. Suppose the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we return true as clearly they are consecutive. Suppose they are 1, 2, 10. In no way the elements 1, 2 and 10 are consecutive as elements 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are missing. Suppose the elements are 1, 1, 2, 3. Now here the elements are consecutive, but the element 1 is being repeated twice and we do not want that. 9, 8 and 10. Now here the elements, though they are not sorted, they are consecutive. Hence we will return true. Now in this question the main code has already been implemented. So we have to just implement the function is consecutive. It takes two arguments, array and n. Array is the list of integers and n is the number of integers we have. So the approach here is first we sort the list. Now after that what this if condition does is array ARR minus 1 means the maximum element in the array and ARR 0 means the minimum element in the array. So if the length of the array is less than the maximum and the minimum element of the array, then we return false. So let's take an example for this. Suppose we have the input 1, 2, 10. Now here the length of the list is just 3, but the maximum element is 10 and the minimum element is 1. So they are in no way consecutive. We need more integers such as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we need at least the length of the array to be equal to or less than the difference of the maximum and the minimum integers in the array. Otherwise we return false. After that we loop over the array one after the other and keep on checking if the first element is equal to the next element. Then if they are equal, we return false. And after that we check if the element we are checking is greater than the maximum element or is less than the minimum element in the array. Then we return false. So at the end, if none of the conditions above are satisfied, we return true. So let's run the code. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. We will be back with another video.